the Polytunnel, a gardener's sanctuary, a haven for tender plants, and, well, let's just say it's seen better days. But fear not, for this weekend we embark on a spring cleaning blitz. We'll banish the grime, evict the clutter, and usher in the light, all in preparation for the burgeoning season ahead. Let's get started. Welcome back to the garden, everyone. As the days lengthen and the first hints of spring tantalize us, it's time to turn our attention to this rather neglected structure. The Polytunnel, once a beacon of productivity, now stands shrouded in a veil of winter grime. But worry not, for we shall restore it to its former glory, transforming it into a vibrant hub of growth and abundance. Now, as you can see, the winter months have not been kind to our dear Polytunnel. A thick layer of algae has taken hold, dimming the light within and hindering the growth of any brave soul who dared to overwinter here. And, if we're being completely honest, it's become a bit of a dumping ground for, shall we say, items seeking temporary refuge. A misplaced watering can here, a stray bag of compost there, perhaps even a few treasures from the house that mysteriously found their way into our gardening domain. But fear not, for we shall reclaim this space and restore order to this verdant chaos. Let's begin with the interior. After all, a tidy space fosters a tidy mind, and a tidy mind is essential for successful gardening. First, we'll embark on a gentle decluttering. The key is to create a sense of space and flow, allowing us to move freely and tend to our plants with ease. Next, we'll attend to the floor. A good sweep will banish any lingering leaves and debris, leaving a clean canvas for our gardening endeavours. Now for the staging. A gentle wipe down with a mild organic cleaning solution will remove any grime and refresh these surfaces, ready for our seedlings and pots. And of course, we mustn't forget our trusty pots and trays. A good scrub in warm, soapy water will ensure they're clean and ready for a new season of growth. There we are. The interior is now a haven of tranquility. Everything tidied and ready to go. Now for the exterior. It's looking a bit grim out here. A winter's worth of algae and grime has taken hold, obscuring the once gleaming polythene and casting a gloomy pall over our struggling brassicas and seedlings. I'll be using my trusty Karcher pressure washer with this algae-covered detergent, a gentle yet effective organic solution that's kind to both plants and wildlife. First, I'll give the entire exterior a good dousing with the detergent. The spray will work it into a satisfying lather. Now for the brush. I'll reach up and use long, gentle strokes to lift away the algae and grime, revealing the sparkling polythene beneath. It's quite therapeutic, this process, like giving the polytunnel a spa treatment after a long winter's nap. And as the grime recedes and spring awakens, the light will begin to return and start casting a warm glow on the plants within. I've noticed quite a bit of algae clinging to the inside of the cover, so I'll take some time to give that a good going over with the brush and detergent as well. This will ensure maximum light penetration for our precious plants. Right, now for the top. I'll spray on some more detergent, creating a slippery surface for the algae to relinquish its hold. And now for the pièce de resistance. With the help of my trusty assistant Lynn, we'll wield this dust sheet like a giant cleaning cloth, working our way from one end of the polytunnel to the other in a rhythmic dance of to and fro. The algae doesn't stand a chance against our combined might. Perfect. Now, I'll give the roof a thorough rinse with the power washer, banishing the last remnants of grime and detergent. Excellent. The cover is looking much better now, almost as good as new. Like I said earlier, it will never be perfect, it's just too high. But I'll leave the inside to dry, and then we can apply the algae, a magical potion that will keep the algae at bay and ensure our polytunnel remains a haven of light and growth. Now that the polytunnel cover is dry, it's time to apply the algae. I'll dilute it according to the instructions. And then spray it liberally over the cover, ensuring every nook and cranny is protected from the dreaded algae. This will keep the polytunnel looking clean and bright for longer, allowing our plants to bask in the glorious sunshine. Now isn't that a sight to behold? Our polytunnel has been reborn. Clean, bright and organised, it stands ready to nurture a new generation of plants. The light streams through the clear cover, illuminating the tidy space within. A gardener's heart could not ask for more. There's still one more thing left to do, and that's to get some bright miscanthus chips down on the floor. This is the stuff I normally use for the chicken run, but it's also marvellous for pathways. The brightly coloured chips help reflect the natural sunlight and really brightens up the polytunnel. Well, we've certainly accomplished a great deal this weekend. Our polytunnel has been transformed from a winter slumber zone into a vibrant hub of potential. With the grime banished and the clutter cleared, we've created a space where plants can thrive and our gardening dreams can take flight. And with all that extra light flooding in, our seedlings will be positively leaping for joy. Thank you for joining me on this spring cleaning adventure. I hope you found it inspiring and informative. Now it's your turn to don your gardening gloves and unleash your inner cleaning enthusiast. I'd love to hear about your own spring cleaning triumphs, so please do share your experiences in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe. And until next time, may your gardens be filled with sunshine and abundance.